The INTERNET350U battery backup is from a company founded in 1922. Graham Tripp, founder of Tripp Light, designed a precision-focused automobile headlight that won the gold medal at the Paris Exposition of Innovation in 1928 and 1929. Tripp Light continues to win awards. In my review, the Tripp Light INTERNET350U receives the popularity. Tripp Light is an older company than other battery backup manufacturers reviewed. Although it pioneered the first uninterruptible power supply specifically designed for desktop PCs, the Tripp Light INTERNET350U falls short of my two top-ranked products because of lower output capacity and fewer receptacles. It also lacks a data recovery warranty. The Tripp Light INTERNET350U is a UPS power supply that can feed a typical minimum configuration computer, not a gaming computer, at full power for 3 minutes. If the battery backup is connected to a Windows machine or a Macintosh via USB, and if the user has correctly configured the operating system power settings, the computer will work with the included Power Alert local software to safely shut down automatically when the battery is drained to a specified level following a blackout. If the connection is based on SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol, it is possible to configure a shutdown agent on the PC to receive a command from the battery backup to gracefully shut down based on parameters configured in the included Power Alert NMS software. This battery backup also supports the Watchdog service, which monitors operating systems and stands ready to reboot them remotely when they lock up or stop functioning. The Tripp Light INTERNET350U has a battery with a lifespan estimated at between 3 and 5 years, depending on how many times it has discharged and recharged. The manufacturer does not consider the battery to be user replaceable, and the owner's manual states that battery replacement should be performed only by qualified service personnel. With an output capacity of 350 volt amps and 180 watts, it has the minimum power necessary for a typical microcomputer. The output capacity is insufficient for a gaming PC. If you were taught that watts equals volts x amps, the formula does not apply to computer products. Although products such as incandescent light bulbs have equivalent watts and volt amps, computer equipment has watt ratings that are about 60% of the volt amps. Battery backups designed to protect computers follow the same power factor ratios as computers in order to have matching loads. Watts refer to the power bought from the utility company. Volt amps are the unit of measurement used to correctly size wiring and circuit breakers. This backup power's AC surge protection rating is second best in my review. It can absorb 380 joules without failure. The product contains shields to prevent noise on telephone lines caused by EMI, electromagnetic interference, or RFI, radio frequency interference. There is also a surge-protected data line jack with a splitter to protect modems, fax machines and cordless phones. 3 receptacles are dedicated to surge protection, and 3 are dedicated to battery backup and surge protection. By way of contrast, my number 1 and number 2 products both include 4 of each kind of receptacle. In order to give the battery backup a fighting chance to protect its main concern, the computer, a printer should be connected to the surge protection-only receptacles, since printers are not damaged by blackouts. A resettable circuit breaker provides a means of resetting the unit in case of a power overload. This UPS system is compact and takes up little space on a desktop in its tower configuration. It also mounts on a wall using the provided keyhole mounting tabs. It is constructed with sufficiently low levels of toxic materials to conform to the European Union's Restriction of Hazardous Substances Directive, RoHS. Support is free. There is a 3-year hardware warranty. The warranty prohibits the use of extension cords, outlet strips or surge suppressors. Unlike its battery backup competitors, the manufacturer does not provide a data recovery warranty. However, this computer UPS does include connected equipment insurance of up to $100,000, which is $25,000 more than the connected equipment insurance from other top-rated products. I tested technical support on 4 different days, and found the staff to be consistently responsive, pleasant, professional, and knowledgeable. The Tripp Light INTERNET350U battery backup is from an established company with a long lineage of innovations. Triplite is the first company to field a battery backup specifically designed for desktop PCs, a logical progression for a company that, in the 1960s, developed a line of DC to AC inverters to provide onboard AC power in ambulances and recreational vehicles.